Today I am reviewing GoPro Hero 13 Black Ultra Wide Edition. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for the ultimate action camera to capture your adventures in the most immersive way possible, the GoPro Hero 13 Black Ultra Wide Edition is a game changer. Right out of the box, this camera comes with the Ultra Wide Lens mod, allowing you to shoot hyper-immersive footage that truly captures everything around you. With a boosted 177-degree field of view, this camera is 36% wider and 48% taller than the standard Hero 13 Black, meaning more of your world, more of the horizon, and more of the sky can fit into every frame. Whether you're hiking, biking, surfing, or exploring new cities, this ultra-wide perspective brings a cinematic, professional feel to your videos, making your audience feel like they are right in the middle of the action. The Hero 13 Ultra-Wide Edition doesn't just rely on wide shots. It also records 5.3K video at 60 frames per second, offering incredibly crisp detail and clarity. You can choose from 5 digital lenses, including linear, wide, ultra-wide, ultra-super view, and ultra-hyper view, giving you the creative freedom to capture exactly the type of footage you want. From breathtaking landscapes to close-up action sequences, this GoPro adapts to your vision, making it perfect for vloggers, travelers, and content creators who want high-quality, versatile footage. One of the most impressive features of this camera is its HyperSmooth stabilization. GoPro has taken it to the next level with unbreakable in-camera stabilization, ensuring that even the bumpiest rides, the roughest trails, or the most extreme water sports produce smooth, professional-looking video. HyperSmooth Auto Boost automatically adjusts the stabilization to your movement and speed, so you always get the widest, most stable shot possible. That means you can focus on your adventure while the camera handles all the shakiness. Another exciting feature is easy vertical capture, perfect for social media. With this camera, you no longer have to rotate your setup or worry about framing your shot for Instagram Reels or TikTok. Simply shoot vertically, and the Hero 13 Ultra Wide automatically adjusts the field of view to give you immersive, professional-quality vertical videos. This makes sharing your adventures online faster and easier than ever before. The camera is built for real-world adventures. It's fully waterproof, so whether you're capturing underwater scenes or caught in the rain, your footage stays protected. The included Enduro battery ensures longer recording time, and the camera is compatible with HB series lenses for even more shooting versatility. It also comes with everything you need to get started: standard lens cover, protective lens caps, microfiber lens cloth, USB-C cable, mounting buckle, thumb screw, curved adhesive mount, and a camera case. When it comes to photography, the Hero 13 Black Ultra Wide Edition shines as well. Its 27-megapixel CMOS sensor delivers stunning images with excellent color accuracy, even in challenging lighting conditions. The camera supports multiple shooting modes including night, portrait, and sports, giving you full creative control. Plus, with digital zoom, you can capture details from afar without compromising quality. In short, the GoPro Hero 13 Black Ultra Wide Edition is not just an action camera, it's a complete storytelling device. Its ultra-wide field of view, pro-quality 5.3K video, hyper-smooth stabilization, easy vertical capture, and robust waterproof design make it perfect for adventure seekers, content creators, and anyone who wants to capture life's moments in stunning detail. Whether you're on land, in the water, or in the air, this camera delivers footage that is cinematic, immersive, and ready to share with the world. If you're serious about capturing your adventures from every angle, the Hero 13 Ultra Wide Edition is an investment in quality, convenience, and creativity.